Hi everyone. It's getting cold out and that means soup season is here. And what better way to start it off than with this delicious sausage, kale, and white bean soup. It's a really simple but tasty soup to make, and with canned beans you can have this ready in 30 minutes. So let's get started. So this is Tuscan black kale. Probably my favorite kale. It's hearty but not as bitter as most kales that you get at the market, but if you want to save time you can always get the pre-cut kale. All we have to do is pull the leaves off of the stem and then just cut it. Then we can cut our onions, celery, and chop our garlic. And for the sausage, I'm using spicy Italian sausage. If you don't want it spicy, then you can use the mild or the sweet. Now we can start cooking. We're going to start with some olive oil in a pan, and I like to fry my rosemary first to flavor the oil, then add the sausage. Break this up so it cooks quicker and we get better caramelization on the sausage. Once it's cooked, we can strain off any extra grease. Add some more olive oil and add the onions, garlic, and celery. Cook this for a few minutes and then we can add our kale, chicken stock, and sausage. I simmer this for about 15 minutes. Then add our cooked beans. And then this just needs to simmer for a few minutes just to finish cooking everything and get the flavors to marry. As always, don't forget to season with salt and pepper. And then this just needs to simmer for a few minutes to finish cooking. One thing I'd like to add to this is a splash of sherry vinegar. It just helps balance out all the flavors. And that's it. Our soup is ready. Put it in a bowl, add a few fresh parsley leaves, and a drizzle of olive oil. This is a perfect soup for a cold day to fill you and warm you up. The spicy sausage adds just enough kick without making it too spicy, and then you have this with a piece of toasted sourdough to dip it in and you're all set. Thanks for watching my video on how to make this super tasty kale, sausage, and bean soup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.